What's going on, guys? We're back again today, and I have not made a video in a very long time. Today we got some issues with the truck again, but I'm going to show you all how to change out the third brake light. Bulbs are bad in that, as well as the bulbs in the license plate. We are going to go over how to do that real quick, and I will show you the parts that I got for these. So this is the first box we got. We got these off Amazon, so I'll put the link in the description below. But we have a new LED third brake light for up top, so that should be pretty cool. Oh, and it came with the gaskets and stuff. Perfect. I was worried about that. And then we have new LED license plate lights as well. So there's that. So we'll go ahead and take out the license plate lights first, and then we'll move on to the brake light. We're gonna go ahead and just take these bulbs out. They twist one way or the other, so we'll take those out. Now there is up right here, it's a metal tab, and it should hold toward the front of the truck, and that should allow these lights to be pushed out the front. Fingers around there it comes. So this comes out, and then the light should pop right out, just like that. So we'll go ahead and do the other side real quick. So let's see, same thing. Let's take the bulbs out. They just twist. Then tab comes out, and then there's the light. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and put these lights back in. It looks right. So we'll go ahead and set that in there, and we'll go ahead and put our clip in first, just so they're held in place. It should just slide right behind. There we go. Okay, so that's done. Now the instructions say remove the bulb, insert the plug from the LED into the bulb. These light bulbs should just come right out. Just wiggle it out. There we go. See? Now let's see, this piece goes into the center, just like that. Okay, and then it should twist right back into. There you go. Twist it. We'll press this button in, and it should be good. Also, they come with these little drivers, I guess, so that's what that other plug goes to. So we'll have to zip tie those up once we put the bulbs in. Alright, so what I did is I plugged these little drivers in. I zip tied them up to the cables so they won't fall. I'll go ahead and cut these cable ties, and then we'll be done with this project. Okay, so now we're going to take this brake light out because I don't believe it works. I had some issues with this leaking before, so I had some I put some rubber in there to keep it from leaking. It was leaking inside the truck a while back. So okay. So what we're gonna, all these bulbs broke. So we're gonna change the whole thing out with the new one. That looks like the driver. It looks like it just plugs right in. Plug that in. It came with a gasket, so we are gonna use the gasket that it came with, just so it does not leak. Actually, let's go ahead and unplug that again. This has flat here. Okay, so that's on there, good and tight. We're gonna put this in there. That's the driver, so you don't need to do anything with that. Alright guys, it took a little pushing, but you gotta feed it in from the top and then press down really hard on the bottom to get it to pop in the pins. But then once it's in, you can tighten it down. There's no gap, so water should stay out. We'll find out, but yeah, I got this off Amazon. I'll show you what it looks like in the nighttime. That and the other brake lights, and then yeah, that'll be in the video, so stay tuned for the reveal tonight. Alright guys, it's night out, so let's go ahead and take a look at these lights. You can see how bright the dang tail light is, or the license plate is. The one up there for the other third brake light looks really good too. So let's put the brake light on and then that'll be it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment below, like this video, please subscribe, and take care and have a great day.